Oh crap. I've got a low tire on the four-wheeler. That's okay. That will give me the opportunity to try out something. Keep it in the van. Let's go get it. This is something that I keep in my van because it is a great tool to have. And what it is, it's made by Andeman, and it is a jumper and compressor. So let's take it and go pump up that tire. This thing is charged by a UBS, so it's, you don't have to worry about finding a plug-in for it. I think the hardest thing about it is screwing this in, and that's actually a nothing. So you just screw it in, and while I've got it out, I'll just show you. This is where you charge it. Here's two USB A outputs. It also has an LED light, but it's real simple to use. You just turn it on. It's 100%. And then to start the compressor, you just... So, let's go ahead and put that bad boy on here. And I'm going to put, let's see, put about 26 pounds of pressure in there. It's kind of slow, but it goes all the way up to 150 psi. So this can easily be used on a vehicle as well, like a car or a truck, or in my case, my van. And I like having the security of the fact that it's also, a jumper pack. Okay, that's pretty tight, so let's drop how much we're going to put in. These big tires don't take much. I'm going to stop it at 12. You see it's showing me the PSI right here. There you have it. Pretty nice tool. Like I said, it's made by Andeman, and you can pick these bad boys up on Amazon. Something you might think about carrying in your vehicle. I know I feel much better having it in the van. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. Later.